I was talking to my eldest son today and he said to me, why is AI a threat? And I said, AI will absolutely revolutionize society because humans don't have a chance against AI. And he said, what do you mean? We're conscious. And I said, that's the problem. Most humans are walking on their presets, and their presets are totally determined by survival. Survival means they only know how to function mainly on 5 frequencies, whilst AI knows how to function on reason, total logic. So it doesn't get impeded by fear, by desire. So it's a far more superior being in terms of what it wants to accomplish. I don't agree with you. Either do I, and it shouldn't be that way. But we haven't learned to use ours. And because we haven't learned to use ours, we've become very predictable. We've become very instinctual to surviving versus instinctual to progressing or advancing. That's why I said at the beginning, AI will always beat a human being because human beings are too busy making decisions based on past emotions. AI will make decisions based on total reason and just evaluate probability of the next move.